Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Maisha, and today I will be making videos about fidgets. So I will be doing a tutorial on how to make these swirly thingies from pop tubes. So first of all, you have to take a favorite color from your pop tubes. I want to go for, let's check. Oh my god. I want to go for, I think you should go for blue. Let's go. Or maybe this color. Okay, let's go. So first you have to hold them from two sides and फिर आपको ऐसे करके इसको swirl कर देना, like this. It should have like a U kind of shape, but जिसका दूसरा वाला होना है वो थोड़ा सा आगे होना चाहिए, and जो वो आगे होना चाहिए वो उससे थोड़ा सा छोटा होना चाहिए. So to like do like this, and then you have to like ऐसे करके आपको एक circle type of बन जाना चाहिए, and आपको फिर ऐसे करके इसको circle करना है. And if you didn't get it, हम लोगों को ऐसे ही करना है. So and this is how we make our swirlies. ये वाला थोड़ा सा इसका शेप हो गया है, which is totally fine. आप लोग इसको फिक्स कर सकते हो like this. So हम लोग उसको ऐसे फिक्स करते हैं, and that's how we make these swirlies. I know what you're thinking, इतनी छोटा सा ये tutorial है, but I will be coming with a really big video soon, inshallah. So yeah, and this is my tutorial how to make swirlies. Bye for now. Meet you on another video. Bye.